Hey guys, it's X666X Iron Maiden, and today we're back with another Reactor's Choice. This is Dream the Electric Sleep, Let the Light Flood In. Hey guys, how's it going? So we just did Twice earlier, and it kind of reminded me of this group in certain ways. Maybe more of the album before this one, but this was the one that came out last year by a band called Dream the Electric Sleep. It's not a band that a lot of people know about. It's not huge or anything, but I did learn of this band a few years ago when I was in a prog group on Facebook that was sharing stuff around, and this came up. It's not really prog per se, but it's something we all enjoyed. Would have been the album before this, and this one came out last year. That was, in my opinion, even better than that other one. So this is going to be the song "Let the Light Flood In" off of the album "Beneath the Dark Wide Sky." This would be his band, by the way. It's actually my first time checking out this video too. Alright, that was Let the Light Flood In from Dream the Electric Sleep. Now, like I said, this song isn't probably the best example I could have used for comparing it between Thrice and its guys. This one's definitely different. I think more of their Heretics album from Dream the Electric Sleep was more similar to what we just watched from Thrice. It had more songs that were similar to it in certain ways. This one was a bit more out there on the sound as I found on this one, and production quality sounded better as well compared to Heretics to a certain degree. And the songs felt much fuller. Me, it's his voice is something I really enjoy, and just the way he writes his music. Because the main guy is the buddy with the beard that's singing. He's the one that started this up. That's his band, and he does the writing and stuff like that, to my knowledge. Which I should probably double check before I give you guys the wrong information on that. I do believe that he is the one that does all the writing. I don't want to tell you guys the wrong fucking thing, because then I'll feel like an idiot if it's not actually. Sometimes I don't understand Google search engine. Feels like it's other stuff. I also haven't heard his first album, Lost and Gone Forever. That one came out in like 2011. But Beneath the Dark Wide Sky, if I look into it, I actually can't get any information. It'd be under prog rock, I guess, but I can't really get much information for it. Like I said, it's a band that's not super big and well known to a degree, right? So it's hard to get information sometimes. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it anyway. It's something different than what I normally do on the channel. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, as always, to catch more from me. And as always, you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you later.